Hey Mercedes lovers, my name is Emma. I am with the Peterborough Mercedes team. Come check out this brand new 2025 GT63 with me. Our exterior color on this GT63 is obsidian black and with an interior of a sienna brown. This vehicle has a 4.0-liter V8 twin turbocharged engine, which can produce up to 630 horsepower when in Sport Plus mode, which means this GT63 can go from 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. This vehicle offers many options, such as the aerodynamics package, the AMG extended night package, also with massage seats, and many more options. This vehicle comes with 21-inch AMG forged twin spoke wheels with a yellow brake caliper. This vehicle has a 4-seater option, which is incredibly rare for a GT63. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend.